everyone, welcome back to Sunday Life and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on Inimba from the 2nd to the 6th of February 2026 on Monday. The truth detonates and there is no undoing what has been said. As the consequences close in, the Mabandla family demands justice at any cost. Meanwhile, the Zondos realize there is no way to undo what's already been set in motion on Tuesday. Grief hardens into pride when help is refused at the worst moment. Hlengiwe mobilizes her sharpest weapon to protect her child. But when pride bleeds the way, even love can fracture beyond repair on Wednesday. Pain turned into a fury as Hlati confront those standing in the way of justice. Alliances cracks when defense strategies clash with truth. Tumega worries that grief is pushing her husband toward destruction on Thursday. Lines are drawn as motherhood and justice collide heads on. Sydney and Hlengiwe clash over how far it's too far. Two fathers confront the choices that shaped their son, and a quiet decision shift the balance of power forever on Friday. Courtroom realizes realities hit harder than anyone expected. Marriage on both sides strain under the weight of truth and loyalty. Kawe find herself caught between survival, loyalty, and guilty. Well, guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.